Communication during marriage. Communication during marriage means any confidential statement, conversation, message, letter, or information exchanged between husband and wife during the existence of a valid marriage. The law protects such communication because trust and confidence are considered the foundation of a happy married life. According to Section 128 of the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, no person who is or has been married can be compelled to disclose any communication made during marriage by his or her spouse. Such communication cannot be disclosed without the consent of the person who made it or his representative in interest. The basic principle behind this provision is that husband and wife should be able to speak freely with each other without fear that their private conversations will later be disclosed in court. The law believes that if such confidential matters are not protected, it may disturb family peace and weaken marital relationships. In Ramchandra versus Emperor 1933, the court observed that allowing such evidence may disturb family peace and weaken the mutual confidence on which the happiness of married life depends. Protection applies only to communication. It is important to remember that Section 128 protects only communication and not acts or conduct of husband and wife. Example: if a husband tells his wife, I have taken money from X and have not returned it, this is a communication and is protected. If the wife personally sees her husband hiding money or doing an illegal act, this is conduct or an act, not communication, and may be used as evidence. In Ram Bharose versus State of UP AIR 1954 SC 704, the court held that this section protects only communications and not acts or behavior. The protection under this section applies only to communications made during a valid marriage. Communications made before marriage are not protected. Similarly, if the marriage itself is void, this privilege does not arise.